Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to transform text in InDesign. So let's get started. At first, I am open InDesign software. Then select the text. Now I am transform this text. So firstly select the text, and you can see here are properties panel. Then here you can increase text or decrease. Now change font. Now click the drop down menu and you can see here are many font. Now you can choose any font. Now choose this font. Here are skew. You can increase skew or decrease this. Horizontal scale. You can rotate this text. I'm change the text color. Now firstly select the text and go to the fill and click here. Now choose white color, then click OK. Now click selection tool. Now decrease opacity in the text easily. So now you can see transform text in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.